Hello, I am about to show you how to create category weights in your gradebook. So I had already added some tiles to my dashboard for attendance and gradebooks for various classes. So I'm just going to click on the period 6 gradebook and work backwards. You will have to do this for each individual grade sheet. They don't universally apply to your entire gradebook. Once you're in a grade sheet, though, you can click this drop-down arrow to easily navigate between the different grade sheets. And then in the grade sheet, if you hadn't done this already, you could click this drop-down menu for more, and then add a tile for this class to that dashboard. So when you first sign into Qmlativ, there's just a box to click on to come here directly. Once you're in the grade sheet, you want to click the settings in the far right. And on this screen, click the plus sign next to calculation settings to expand that menu, and then select grade calculations. So you can see that the calculation type is already set to assignment total points. That's the default. My grade level team did say that we are going to use category weights. So I'm going to click this circle arrow next to the MT1 grading period. And this won't change all of the other grading periods. The same is true if you were to click the semester 1 grading period. It wouldn't overwrite the previous grading periods. So you just have to work on the first one, but on the far right, you can choose to copy this calculation setup to those other grading periods. So you don't have to do all 4 of them for each class for each semester. So the first thing I need to do is first exclude the categories I'm not going to use. And you can see assessment and practice work are already checked, and I can't uncheck those because there are assignments in the grade sheet that are using those categories. So I'm going to switch from from assignment total points to category weighting. And then here's where I can add those percentages. So I'm going to do 80% for assessment and 20% for practice work. I'm going to save these changes. And then I'm going to copy this calculation setup to the other grading periods. If I click this box underneath the word select, it'll just choose all the grading periods in this list. And then click run process to copy that setup to the grading periods for the entire semester. So I won't have to do this again for this class this semester. And then if I click on the grade sheet again, I would see a change in the grades now that those calculations have changed. If you need any help with that, don't hesitate to contact me. I'd be happy to assist.